Hello dear subscribers, Delta. So how to fix problem on your App Store Connect when you try to add your app icon and you receive error. So how you could also fix that? So first thing, just go to Xcode, just open your assets, and here you could see my app icon. So I will show to you like what resolution it needs to have. It needs to be 1024 to 1024. So please just check this resolution. So here you could see that. Here also try to use PNG format extension here, and just make sure it won't have any alpha. So you just need to make sure if it has, you just need to remove that. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, download my applications, and write comments. Bye.